What's the meaning of angelically? Angelically. 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 Angelically.
Angelically is an adverb that describes something done in a manner resembling that of an angel. It is usually used to convey a sense of purity, goodness, or holiness. For example, someone might describe a child's innocent smile as angelic, or a person's kind and selfless actions as being carried out angelically. In essence, the term is used to describe actions or behaviors that are perceived as being both gentle and divine, as if performed by a divine being or one who embodies angelic qualities.